Hello, everyone, and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, your guide to the latest and most impactful developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have a historic update from the heart of U.S. federal regulation. The FDA has just completed its first AI-assisted scientific review pilot and announced a sweeping agency-wide rollout of AI across all centers by the end of June 2025. This isn't just an upgrade for the FDA, it's a sign of how AI is rapidly transforming the way crucial decisions affecting public health are made. Let's dive right in. Yesterday, FDA Commissioner Dr. Martin Makary announced that the agency had successfully wrapped up its inaugural generative AI pilot for scientific reviewers. In his own words, Dr. Makary described the pilot as a game changer and shared his amazement at the time savings AI brought to the table. According to Makary, FDA scientists and subject matter experts have long been bogged down by tedious, repetitive tasks. Think of combing through mountains of research data, reviewing countless forms, and preparing highly detailed reports, all of which traditionally slow down the much-needed review process for new therapies. Now, with these new generative AI tools, those same experts can complete certain scientific review tasks in mere minutes, tasks that would have previously eaten up 2 or 3 days of their week. This leap in efficiency isn't just a matter of convenience. It could have real downstream effects on how quickly life-saving new drugs and therapies make it to market. As Jinzhong Liu, Deputy Director in the Office of Drug Evaluation Sciences, put it, this technology has enabled him to perform review assignments in a fraction of the usual time. But what's especially notable is the urgency and scale of this adoption. Dr. Makary has set a hard deadline. Every FDA center must begin immediate deployment of these generative AI tools with the goal of reaching full operational integration by June 30th. And this isn't one-off experimentation. By the end of June, every center in the FDA will be operating on a common, secure generative AI system, fully integrated with the FDA's internal data platforms. So what does this look like in practice? The generative AI employed by the FDA is designed to automate and accelerate the grunt work involved in reviewing scientific literature, regulatory submissions, and clinical trial data. By reducing the amount of non-productive busywork, these tools free up scientists' time for the complex, creative, and judgment-heavy tasks that truly require human expertise. In essence, it allows the FDA's highly skilled workforce to focus on the details that matter most for safety and efficacy, potentially leading to faster approvals of groundbreaking drugs and medical devices, and better public health outcomes across the board. Of course, this initiative doesn't end with deployment. The FDA is aiming for continuous improvements, expanding the use cases for AI, fine-tuning its functionality, and adapting the technology to meet the unique needs of each center. Given the urgency behind this agency-wide rollout, the FDA is betting big on the idea that AI will become the backbone of scientific review process going forward. Zooming out, this move by the FDA fits into a much wider global transformation. Across sectors like manufacturing, cybersecurity, and even the music industry, AI is accelerating workflows, unlocking new capabilities, and raising complex questions about ethics, privacy, and transparency. Within the medical field alone, we're seeing tools like AI-driven imaging assistance and automated quality control features drive revolutionary changes in diagnosis, treatment, and regulatory oversight. But the FDA's bold leap stands out for its scale, speed, and direct impact on regulatory science. The very system that determines what medicines are available and how quickly the public gains access to new, potentially life-changing therapies. As the agency continues to expand the scope and capabilities of its AI toolkit, we can expect ripple effects throughout the biomedical ecosystem. For pharmaceutical companies, patient advocacy groups, and most importantly, patients themselves. From here, the big questions are, how will other regulatory agencies in the US and internationally respond? What new opportunities and challenges will emerge as AI becomes more deeply woven into the fabric of drug evaluation and public health decision-making? And will the FDA's model serve as a blueprint or a cautionary tale for other agencies grappling with the same demands of scientific rigor efficiency, and public trust. We'll be watching closely and bringing you updates as the story unfolds. That's it for today's episode of AI News Connect. I'm Marvin. If you found this update insightful, please give us a like, share the video with your friends and colleagues, and be sure to subscribe to AI News Connect. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another update on the breakthroughs shaping tomorrow's world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.